The camera sweeps over a bustling kitchen, capturing the frantic energy that fills the air. Plates fly through the hands of chefs, while orders echo against the tiled walls. In this chaos, one talented cook pauses to admire their latest plating, a moment of pride that soon turns into a fumble, causing a cascade of chaos as they fall behind the frantic rhythm. Talent makes you flashy, but flashy burns fast, a voiceover reflects. The scene shifts to slow motion, spotlighting another cook, moving with disciplined precision. Their knife skills are flawless. Each cut is deliberate, each motion practiced, radiating calmness amid the culinary storm. Orders come in fast, yet they execute each task with a grace that says they have mastered the art of focus. Then comes the showdown. The talented cook suffers mishaps, burning pans, lost tickets, in stark contrast to the disciplined cook who glides through the service, embodying quiet confidence and resilience. As the final scene fades, the disciplined chef meticulously cleans their station in a now silent kitchen. The screen boldly displays, talent starts the fire, discipline keeps it burning. The message resonates. Grit is what truly wins. Every shift, every plate. Choose discipline. Follow at Chef James for more culinary truths. Pen to pan.